Alright, back to show you some more magic. It's a brand new effect that I'm working on here. It's a variation of John Bannon's Masquerade. So I'm going to use some cards here. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cards here. Okay? And show you what these cards are. Just a bunch of X cards. A bunch of cards that don't care here. And what I'm going to do here is I've got some special cards I'm going to bring out in a minute. I'm just going to take the 3 cards and set them down just like so into 4 piles here. And here's the special cards right here. I have the 4 jokers. I'm going to show you why jokers are wild. Alright? An amazing effect here. So I'm just going to take 1 joker here and place it on the bottom of the packet. There's 1. Joker number 2, I place pile number 2 here. This joker number 3, place right on over here. And last one is right here. Just like so, the leader joker. Now, watch the amazing jokers do their magic for you. I'm going to just snap my fingers, cause the first one to vanish, and it gathers right over here. Okay, so there's 1, and there's 2. Okay, and watch very carefully here. Snap, joker number 2 is gone. That leaves me right here, joker number 3. And last but not least, joker number 4, just going to cast a shadow, not even going to touch anything. And it's happened. All 3 jokers have gathered right over here, leaving us with 1, 2, 3, 4 jokers. But the thing is that the jokers are actually they're wild. You've heard the expression, jokers are wild. Have you ever seen it? Just give it a snap, and it changes to 1 joker, changes to 1 king. There's 2 kings. There's 3 kings. And last but not least, all 4 kings. A forking good trick. Now, I'm going to show you something even better than that. If I take the kings here, and I just give them a little shake like that, I can actually change them into something even better than that. 4 aces. It's 1, it's 2, it's 3, there's 4 aces. Now that's pretty good, but if I actually take the aces here and just place them right on the box like so, okay, then I'll take these cards and I'll just get rid of them here. Now I'm just going to take the aces here and watch carefully. Take the aces, put the cards inside the box so that there's no way I can manipulate the cards. I'm just going to steal out the cards invisibly. Can you see them? They're invisible. Just give it a snap, and jokers are wild because I have here a royal flush of spades.